Welcome to Top 10 Fascinating Facts. Our planet is not only beautiful, but also home to some incredibly dangerous animals. Today, we're diving into the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. Are you brave enough to face them? Let's get started. Coming in at number 10 is a tiny assassin, the poison dart frog. Don't be fooled by its tiny appearance. The poison dart frog can kill up to 10 people with just a small amount of its toxin. The poison dart frog, scientifically known as Dendrobatidae, is a group of small frogs primarily found in the rainforests of Central and South America. Measuring just 1.5 to 6 centimeters, these frogs are not to be underestimated. Their vibrant colors are a clear warning. They carry extremely potent toxins, deadly toxins. Poison dart frogs secrete batrachotoxin, one of the most powerful natural toxins. Just a tiny amount is enough to kill 10 to 20 adult humans or thousands of mice. The toxin blocks nerve signals from the brain to muscles, leading to heart failure or respiratory paralysis. Interestingly, the frogs don't produce the toxin themselves. They acquire it through their diet, which includes toxic ants, termites, and beetles in the rainforest. When bred in captivity and fed non-toxic food, they become harmless. Role in nature. Defense. Their bright colors, blue, yellow, orange, or red, serve as a warning to predators about their toxicity. Human weaponry. Indigenous people in Colombia used the frog's toxins to coat the tips of blow darts for hunting, giving them the name poison dart frog. Behavior and habitat. Poison dart frogs thrive in moist rainforest areas, usually near water sources. Reproductive behavior. These frogs are exceptionally caring parents. After laying eggs, the male or female frog carries the tadpoles on their back to water pools where they grow. Notable species. Golden poison frog. The most toxic of all, a single frog carries enough poison to kill 10,000 mice. Blue poison frog. With its stunning azure color, the species is both deadly and an iconic symbol of the rainforest. Warnings and conservation. Despite their deadly nature, poison dart frogs are facing declining populations due to habitat loss and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these frogs and maintain the rich biodiversity of rainforests. Summary. Poison dart frogs are a perfect example of the phrase small but mighty. Beneath their radiant appearance lies one of nature's deadliest predators. At the same time, they are an essential part of the rainforest ecosystem. Great white shark, the ocean's apex predator. The great white shark, Carcharodon carcharias, is one of the top predators of the ocean. Reaching lengths of up to 6.4 meters and weighing over 2,000 kilograms, these sharks are not just intimidating in size, but also in their hunting prowess. They are found in most of the world's oceans, particularly in warm coastal waters. Deadly teeth. The great white shark possesses a jaw lined with 300 razor-sharp teeth arranged in multiple rows. These teeth continuously regenerate, ensuring they're always ready for the next hunt. Speed and strength. They can swim at speeds of up to 56 kilometers per hour, enabling them to ambush prey with lightning-fast attacks. Sharp senses. Great whites can detect a single drop of blood in millions of liters of water, making them masters of locating prey from great distances. These sharks use ambush tactics to attack their prey. They often swim below their target and then strike with immense force, stunning and incapacitating the victim. Their diet includes a variety of marine life such as seals, fish, squid, and even other sharks. Seals and sea lions are a favorite due to their high-fat content, providing abundant energy. Despite being labeled as the ocean's killer, great white sharks rarely attack humans. Many attacks occur due to mistaken identity, as they confuse surfers or swimmers with natural prey like seals. Statistically, attacks by great whites are rare, and most are non-fatal. The great white shark is currently listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Their populations are threatened by overfishing, habitat pollution, and poaching. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats and raising awareness about their crucial role in maintaining ocean ecosystems. The great white shark is a symbol of power and ferocity in the ocean. While it has earned the nickname Ocean's Killer, it rarely targets humans and plays an essential role in maintaining the ecological balance of the seas. 8. Anaconda snake. The anaconda genus Eunaxintheboidae family is one of the largest and most powerful snakes in the world. They are primarily found in the tropical rainforests of South America, especially. The green anaconda can reach lengths of 8 to 10 meters, 26 to 33 feet, though 4 to 6 meters, 13 to 20 feet is more common. Adults weigh between 100 to 150 kilograms, 220 to 330 pounds, with some individuals reaching up to 250 kilograms, 550 pounds. Their thickness can reach up to 30 centimeters, 12 inches, depending on their size and food intake. Olive green or yellow skin with black patterns, providing excellent camouflage in water and dense forests. A flat, wide head with eyes and nostrils positioned on top, allowing them to observe while submerged. Teeth, non-venomous, but equipped with sharp, backward curving teeth to grip prey. Anacondas are semi-aquatic and often reside near rivers, lakes, and swamps in tropical rainforests. They are well adapted to wet, muddy environments and can hide underwater to ambush prey. Diet and hunting. Prey birds, fish, small mammals like wild pigs, deer, even smaller caimans or other snakes. Without venom, anacondas kill prey by constricting until suffocation or bone fractures occur. They then swallow the prey whole, head first. Reproduction. Anacondas are ovoviviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. Offspring. A single birth can produce 20 to 40 snakelets. Mating season usually occurs during the dry season when water sources shrink, making it easier for individuals to encounter each other. Anacondas play a vital role in controlling the population of smaller animals in their ecosystem. Habitat loss and hunting by humans pose significant challenges to some anaconda populations. However, they are not currently listed as endangered. Despite their size and strength, anacondas usually avoid confrontation with humans. Stories of anacondas attacking humans are often exaggerated. However, they can be dangerous if threatened. The anaconda is a symbol of strength and mystery in the South American rainforests, making it one of the most fascinating animals on the planet. 7. Stonefish. The stonefish Sinancia is one of the most venomous fish in the world, renowned for its exceptional camouflage abilities and deadly toxin. They inhabit tropical waters, primarily in the Indo-Pacific region, particularly around coral reefs and shallow waters. Below are detailed characteristics of this fascinating species. Classification and naming. Family, Scorpionidae scorpionfish family. Name, the stonefish is named for its ability to camouflage as a rock, making it extremely difficult to spot. Key species: the most common species is Sinansia verrucosa. Size and appearance: length ranges from 30 to 40 centimeters, 12 to 16 inches, with some reaching up to 50 centimeters, 20 inches. Weight around 1.5 to 2 kilograms, 3.3 to 4.4 pounds for an adult. Body shape: thick, robust body with a rough, lumpy surface. Large head, wide mouth, and small eyes located on top of the head, aiding in stealthy observation. Coloration: typically brown, gray, or yellowish with black and white patches, resembling rocks or coral. Habitat: location: found in shallow coastal waters, coral reefs, estuaries, and mangrove swamps. Behavior: stonefish remain motionless, hiding among rocks or sand to avoid predators and ambush prey. They can survive temporarily out of water by retaining moisture in their body. Diet: ambush predator: stonefish are passive hunters. They remain still and wait for prey to approach, then strike with lightning speed. Diet: primarily small fish, shrimp, crabs, and other crustaceans. Hunting method: they use their large mouth to rapidly suck and prey in just a few milliseconds. Venom: toxicity: the venom is secreted from glands located at the base of 13 sharp dorsal spines. When threatened, the fish raises these spines for defense. Effects: the venom contains neurotoxins that can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, respiratory failure, and even death if untreated. Treatment: hot water can reduce pain by breaking down the toxin, but immediate medical attention and antivenom are essential. Reproductive behavior: reproduction: stonefish are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. Eggs released into the water and fertilized externally, with larvae developing in the aquatic environment. Ecological importance and threats. Role: stonefish play a critical role in maintaining ecological balance in coral reefs by controlling populations of smaller fish and crustaceans. Threats: habitat loss due to climate change and ocean pollution. Targeted fishing in some areas where their venom is studied for medicinal purposes. Interaction with humans. Hazards: stonefish are not aggressive and only pose a danger when stepped on or provoked. Their sting is one of the most severe marine injuries. Prevention: wear protective footwear when wading in shallow waters. Observe rocky and coral areas carefully when snorkeling or diving. The stonefish is not only dangerous, but also a testament to nature's ingenuity with its unique camouflage and defense mechanisms. It is a species that deserves respect and protection in its natural habitat. 6. Polar bear. The polar bear, Ursus maritimus, is the largest land predator and a symbol of the Arctic region. Known as the King of Ice, it boasts immense size, strength, and remarkable adaptations to survive in extreme conditions. Below is a detailed account of this magnificent species. Classification and naming. Family: Ursidae bear family. Name: the name polar bear reflects its primary habitat, while its scientific name Ursus maritimus means sea bear, emphasizing its close connection to the ocean. Size and appearance. Length: adult males measure between 2.4 to 3 meters, 8 to 10 feet, while females are smaller, around 1.8 to 2.4 meters, 6 to 8 feet. Weight: males 350 to 700 kilograms, 770 to 1,540 pounds, reaching up to 800 kilograms, 1,760 pounds during prime hunting seasons. Females 150 to 250 kilograms, 330 to 550 pounds, gaining more weight during pregnancy. Appearance. Thick, dense white or yellowish fur provides excellent insulation and camouflage in snowy environments. Black skin beneath the fur absorbs heat from sunlight. A thick layer of fat beneath the skin offers additional protection against extreme cold. Paws and claws. Large paws up to 30 centimeters or 12 inches help distribute their weight on ice, while sharp claws assist in hunting and climbing. Habitat. Distribution. Polar bears inhabit the Arctic regions, including Canada, Alaska, Greenland, Russia, and Norway. Environment. Sea ice is their primary habitat, where they hunt, but they also utilize coastal areas when the ice melts. Swimming ability. Polar bears are excellent swimmers, capable of traveling continuously for hours across distances of up to 100 kilometers, 62 miles, thanks to their thick fat layer and hydrodynamic body structure. Diet and hunting. Primary diet: seals, particularly ringed seals Pusa hispida and bearded seals Erycnithus barbatus. Hunting techniques. Ambush. Polar bears wait by seal breathing holes in the ice. Attack. They use their strength and sharp claws to drag prey from the water. Energy storage. Polar bears consume large amounts of seal fat to store energy for the long winters when food is scarce. Behavior and social structure. Solitary lifestyle. Polar bears are mostly solitary except for mothers with cubs or during the mating season. Movement. They can travel hundreds of kilometers in search of food, following the changing ice conditions. Communication. Polar bears communicate through growls, low sounds, and body gestures. Reproduction. Mating season typically occurs from April to May. Gestation. Females have a gestation period of around 8 months, including a delayed implantation phase to align with environmental conditions. Litter size, usually 1 to 3 cubs per litter. Denning. Pregnant females dig dens in snow to give birth and care for their cubs during the early months. Adaptations to the Arctic environment. Insulating fur. 2 layers of fur help retain warmth, prevent heat loss, and provide water resistance. Eyes. Adapted to protect against the glare of snow and ice. Keen sense of smell. Extremely sensitive, capable of detecting prey from several kilometers away. Conservation status. Threats. Climate change reduces sea ice, significantly impacting their habitat and hunting ability. Pollution and illegal hunting also pose risks. Status. Classified as vulnerable VU by the IUCN. Relationship with humans. Cultural significance. Polar bears hold cultural and spiritual importance for Arctic indigenous peoples. Danger to humans. Although formidable predators, they generally avoid humans unless provoked or starving. Polar bears exemplify remarkable adaptability and resilience in one of the planet's harshest environments. However, they are increasingly vulnerable to the effects of climate change and human activity, making their conservation a critical priority. Ranked 5th is the blue-ringed octopus, with just 1 bite. The blue-ringed octopus can release enough venom to kill 26 people within minutes. The terrifying fact is that there is no antidote. The blue-ringed octopus Apoloclena is one of the most dangerous marine animals despite its small size. Renowned for its stunning appearance and deadly venom, the species demonstrates the principle that small but mighty truly holds. Classification and naming. Family. Octopodidae octopus family. Name. The name blue-ringed octopus originates from its characteristic blue rings, which glow brightly when the animal is threatened. Major species. There are 3 recognized species: Apoloclena lunulata, Apoloclena maculosa, and Apoloclena faustata. Size and appearance. Length ranges from 12 to 20 centimeters, 5 to 8 inches, including tentacles. Weight, approximately 50 to 100 grams, 1.8 to 3.5 ounces. Appearance. A body color ranging from yellowish to light brown, adorned with iridescent blue rings. The blue rings become highly luminous when the octopus feels threatened. Short, flexible tentacles enable strong grip and effective predation. Habitat. Distribution found in tropical and subtropical waters, primarily in the Indo-Pacific region, including Japan, Australia, and Indonesia. Environment prefers coral reefs, rocky outcrops, and crevices on the seafloor. It often hides in shells or small underwater objects. Diet and hunting. Main diet: crabs, small shrimp, fish, and other crustaceans. Hunting methods. Uses its tentacles to grasp prey. Injects venom through its saliva to paralyze the victim before consuming it. Sometimes drills through the hard shells of crustaceans to inject venom directly. Venom. Composition. The primary toxin is tetrodotoxin, an incredibly potent substance 1,200 times stronger than cyanide. Effects. Causes paralysis of muscles, blocking nerve signals, leading to respiratory failure and death if untreated. A small amount of this toxin is enough to kill 26 adult humans in a matter of minutes. There is no known antidote for tetrodotoxin. Treatment mainly involves respiratory support until the toxin is naturally expelled from the body. Behavior and habits. Shy nature. Blue-ringed octopuses are generally non-aggressive and only attack humans when provoked or threatened. When feeling endangered, its blue rings glow vibrantly to warn predators. Lives a solitary life, except during mating season. Most active at night, hunting and avoiding predators. Reproduction. The male uses a specialized tentacle to transfer sperm to the female. Males typically die shortly after mating, while females guard the eggs. Females lay 50 to 100 eggs and protect them for about a month. During this period, they do not eat and often die shortly after the eggs. Special adaptations. Camouflage. Exceptional ability to change colors and patterns to blend into surroundings, aiding in predator avoidance and hunting. Warning display. The blue rings serve as a highly visual warning signal to deter predators. Threats and conservation. Natural predators, larger fish, small sharks, and occasionally seabirds. Human impact. Overharvesting in some regions due to curiosity or trade for exotic pets. Habitat destruction caused by pollution and climate change. Conservation status. Not currently listed as endangered, but monitoring is essential to protect them from adverse human activities. Relationship with humans. Risk. Despite their small size, blue-ringed octopuses are highly dangerous, capable of causing fatal bites to humans. Precautions. Avoid touching or handling any unfamiliar marine creatures. Remain cautious when diving or swimming in tropical waters where these octopuses may be present. The blue-ringed octopus is both stunning and formidable. Its dazzling appearance hides a deadly secret, and it is a stark reminder of the ocean's diversity and the need for caution in its depths. Ranked fourth is the hippopotamus. The hippopotamus amphibius is one of the largest land-dwelling animals, renowned for its massive size, semi-aquatic lifestyle, and aggressive nature. Despite its bulky appearance, the hippopotamus is one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. Hippopotamus, also known as the river horse due to its Latin origin, hippopotamus means river horse. Body length, approximately 3 to 5 meters, 10 to 16 feet. Height, 1.4 to 1.6 meters, 4.5 to 5.2 feet at the shoulder. Weight. Males weigh between 1,500 to 3,200 kilograms, 330 or 7,000 pounds. Females are smaller, weighing 1,300 to 1,500 kilograms to 330 pounds. Appearance. A round, massive body covered in thick gray or brown skin. A wide mouth that can open up to 150 degrees, exposing large canines that can grow up to 50 centimeters, 20 inches. Short, sturdy legs with webbed feet, ideal for swimming. Eyes, ears, and nostrils positioned high on the head, enabling them to breathe and observe while submerged in water. Found primarily in sub-Saharan Africa. Environment. Prefers rivers, lakes, and wetlands with freshwater sources and nearby grasslands. Water helps them stay cool and protects their skin from drying out under the sun. Hippos spend most of their day submerged in water to regulate body temperature and avoid heat. At night, they leave the water to graze on grass. Lives in groups of 10 to 30 individuals led by a dominant male. Adult males are highly territorial and will fight fiercely to defend their groups or territory. Communication uses vocalizations such as grunts, roars, and underwater sound waves for communication. Primarily feeds on grass, consuming about 35 to 40 kilograms, 77 to 88 pounds each night. Despite spending much time in water, they rarely eat aquatic plants. They may walk up to 3 to 5 kilometers, 1.8 to 3.1 miles from water to find food. Usually mates and gives birth in water. Gestation period, about 8 months. Gives birth to a single calf weighing 30 to 50 kilograms, 66 to 110 pounds. Calves are born underwater and can swim immediately. The mother is highly protective and attentive to her young, often becoming aggressive towards perceived threats. Natural enemies and threats. Adult hippos have almost no natural predators. However, crocodiles, lions, and hyenas occasionally prey on young calves. Hippos are considered one of Africa's most dangerous animals, responsible for more human fatalities than crocodiles or lions. Their territorial instincts make them highly aggressive towards intruders in their water territory. Despite their size, they can run at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, 19 miles per hour on land, surprising many with their agility. Can hold their breath underwater for 5 to 7 minutes. Blood sweat secretes a reddish fluid that acts as a natural sunscreen, antibacterial agent, and moisturizer. Large canines, not used for feeding but for defense and combat. Conservation status. Threats. Habitat loss due to human expansion for agriculture and urbanization. Illegal hunting for their ivory-like canine teeth and meat. Status. Classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Ecological role. Hippos play a crucial role in their ecosystem. They transport nutrients from land to water through their dungs, supporting aquatic ecosystems' balance and health. The hippopotamus is not only a symbol of strength and size in Africa, but also an important species in maintaining biodiversity. Their presence in nature highlights the need to protect wildlife and their habitats. Ranked third is the domestic taipan snake. The inland taipan Oxyurinus microlepidotus, also known as the fierce snake or western taipan, is the most venomous snake in the world, famous for its extremely potent venom. However, it inhabits remote areas in Australia and rarely comes into contact with humans. Classification and names. Family, Elapidae cobra family. Common names, inland taipan, fierce snake. Scientific name, Oxyurinus microlepidotus. Appearance and size. Length typically ranges from 1.8 to 2.5 meters, 6 to 8 feet, with some individuals reaching up to 3 meters, 10 feet. Appearance. Slim, flexible body. Smooth, glossy scales that change color with the seasons. Light brown or olive yellow in summer. Darker brown or black in winter to absorb more heat. A slightly pointed head distinct from the neck, with small eyes and round pupils. Found only in arid and semi-arid regions of Australia, particularly in the desert plains of Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia, and the Northern Territory. Food primarily feeds on small mammals such as rats and mice, as well as lizards and occasionally birds. Hunting technique. Strikes quickly, injecting venom, then retreats to wait for the prey to succumb. This strategy minimizes risk of injury from struggling prey. Venom. The inland taipan has the most toxic venom of any snake. A single bite can contain enough venom to kill 100 adult humans or 250,000 mice. The venom contains enzymes and neurotoxins that destroy cells, cause kidney failure, hemorrhaging, and paralysis within minutes. Symptoms after a bite. Severe pain at the bite site. Dizziness, weakness, and internal bleeding. If untreated, death can occur within 30 to 45 minutes. Treatment. Antivenom is available and has significantly reduced fatalities when administered promptly. Immediate medical attention is crucial after a bite. Reproduction. Reproductive method, oviparous egg laying. Clutch size, lays 10 to 20 eggs per clutch. Life cycle, eggs hatch after about 2 months, and the young snakes are independent from birth. Natural predators and threats. Larger snakes, predatory birds such as hawks and eagles. Occasionally preyed upon by carnivorous mammals like dingoes. Defensive strategies. Camouflages well due to its coloration matching the environment. If discovered, it often tries to flee rather than confront threats. Conservation status. Status, not classified as endangered due to its remote habitat and limited interaction with humans. Threats, habitat destruction, and illegal hunting could pose risks in the future. Ecological importance. The inland taipan plays a crucial role in controlling rodent populations, helping to maintain ecological balance. Despite its danger, it primarily acts in self-defense and contributes significantly to the ecosystem. The inland taipan is a symbol of the raw power and adaptability of nature, thriving in harsh environments and demonstrating the delicate balance of predator-prey relationships in the wild. Ranked at number 2 is the mosquito. You might be surprised by their tiny size, but mosquitoes are among the most dangerous animals in the world. They not only cause irritation, but also transmit many deadly diseases, posing significant threats to human health and life. Mosquitoes do not directly harm humans, but they serve as vectors for the transmission of numerous dangerous diseases. Malaria, caused by the Plasmodium parasite, transmitted by Anopheles mosquitoes. Dengue fever, caused by the dengue virus, spread by Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. Zika virus causes birth defects in infants if pregnant women are infected. Yellow fever, a serious disease that affects the liver and kidneys. Japanese encephalitis causes severe brain damage. Filariasis, transmitted by Culex mosquitoes, causing swelling in the limbs, elephantiasis. According to the World Health Organization, mosquitoes are responsible for more than 1 million deaths annually worldwide. Malaria accounts for the majority of deaths, particularly in tropical regions such as Africa and Southeast Asia. Mosquitoes have a short life cycle, ranging from a few days to a month, yet they reproduce at an incredibly fast rate. Mosquitoes can travel several kilometers in search of blood, making them difficult to control. Diverse habitats. Mosquitoes thrive in forests, swamps, and urban areas alike. Insecticide resistance. Some mosquito species have developed resistance to insecticides, making them harder to manage. Despite their small size, mosquitoes pose a global threat to human health. Raising awareness and implementing preventative measures are the most effective ways to reduce the danger posed by these insects. Topping the list is the box jellyfish, one of the most dangerous marine creatures. With tentacles filled with venom, a single touch can be fatal within minutes. This species is commonly found in tropical waters, especially around Australia and the Indo-Pacific region. Box jellyfish possess long tentacles, each containing thousands of stinging cells pneumatocysts that release venom. Their venom affects the nervous system, heart, and skin cells, causing cardiac arrest. In many cases, the venom stops the heart within minutes. Excruciating pain. A sting from a box jellyfish is described as one of the most intense pains a human can endure. Severe skin damage. The stung area may suffer long-term damage or scarring. Unlike many other jellyfish species, the box jellyfish can move actively, reaching speeds of up to 2 meters per second, making it difficult to detect or avoid. Its tentacles can extend up to 3 meters, increasing the chances of contact with prey or humans. Contact with just 2 to 3 meters of tentacles can deliver enough venom to kill a healthy adult. Hundreds of deaths have been attributed to box jellyfish, particularly in Australia and other tropical waters. Even survivors often face long-term complications, such as nerve damage or chronic pain. Box jellyfish are nearly invisible underwater, making them hard to spot. They often inhabit coastal waters, where people frequently engage in water activities. The box jellyfish is an incredibly dangerous underwater predator with the ability to cause rapid fatalities. Awareness of its risks and adhering to safety measures are the best ways to protect oneself while swimming in tropical waters. That was the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. Which one impressed you the most? Don't forget to leave a comment below and hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming exciting videos. See you next time.